ni akoda wanya mfinhia dumienu anuma duro ibi se kafefe ni capsules no ho a ento kafefe
talala kafefe capsules
FDA ahwehwemu age atum se eye
Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu.
Hi, opese wo ye free yade mu nyina ana ene enom kafefe capsules muni aba China nie yade ben kra ena ehawo media menom kafefe capsules enti wonso nomu bi kafefe capsules enti misisi yade ni nyina ekọ eboa ma ne siesie ma ye baby na mama ye fresh na marima de jejai monum kafefe capsules no waste pain na mobeya merima ankasa edroyi ubenya bi wa drugstore any herbal shops bia ebe wumu
kai se woba wo ma kranufo pemfo ni akoda wanya mfinhia dumienu anuma duro ibi se kafefe ni capsules no ho a ento kafefe
talala kafefe capsules
FDA ahwehwemu age atum se eye
Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu.
Hi, opese wo ye free yade mu nyina ana ene enom kafefe capsules muni aba China nie yade ben kra ena ehawo media menom kafefe capsules enti wonso nomu bi kafefe capsules enti misisi yade ni nyina ekọ eboa ma ne siesie ma ye baby na mama ye fresh na marima de jejai monum kafefe capsules no waste pain na mobeya marima ankasa edroyi ubenya bi wa drugstore any herbal shops bia ebe wumu
kai se woba wo ma kranufo pemfo ni akoda wanya mfinhia dumienu anuma duro ibi se kafefe ni capsules no ho a ento kafefe
talala kafefe capsules
FDA ahwehwemu age atum se eye
Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu.
Hi, opese wo ye free yade mu nyina ana ene enom kafefe capsules muni aba China nie yade ben kra ena ehawo media menom kafefe capsules enti wonso nomu bi kafefe capsules enti misisi yade ni nyina ekọ eboa ma ne siesie ma ye baby na mama ye fresh na marima de jejai monum kafefe capsules no waste pain na mobeya merima ankasa edroyi ubenya bi wa drugstore any herbal shops bia ebe wumu
kai se woba wo ma kranufo pemfo ni akoda wanya mfinhia dumienu anuma duro ibi se kafefe ni capsules no ho a ento kafefe
talala
right yama ahefo akwaba ene efiada the 8th of May 2020 emraso se yatena sei yade dwumadi a yatene den sinupi ede ebremo de be catch se breso se ya na se ofrunua na ono so ehwe sinupi se dwumadi no yade se yatena se edwuna maga na ho na yeka amadosem midin ede se mike yemfa seda emfa Anolin Royal Enterprise wase ade bia yade bonyom hyenyom ewa sori fie de oba obedom sanso na yemfa seda ne bi enso so emfa kafefe capsules edi ma sem ema sem etimi ede ema yatrasi ebere ne sem no dawson bere ne benyamre na yetimi edi nkomo ene awie on Kumawood television ene COVID-19 the novel coronavirus edi novel no ayese ebi nsheda mada eson kokora sade yare no edi ewu ewo man Ghana ene ewiase nyina hardin pa ene se yedu wuramu ewo ewiase nyina COVID-19 no globally wona eku wom enye enipa ye nipa ketwa omo so manya bie no edoso pa ye pa was a nyamre na yedi ho enkomo esase no na eye Wuhan China and a shasi free ma Donald Trump America mampani ka say China yare then so nei China yare na shasi no omo da 11th globally wona wanya bi pa e wiase nyina US na edikan globally o manya bi no 3,954,826 any nipa o manya bi wiase nyina wona wowu 271,995 deaths and they are recorded across the globe. And then one on what tom or yari so no 1,361,994. I said yariano yarea hajin na edi ewu over USA omo and a trophy with 1,296,879 cases in US of A, deaths 77,190 in US. Equanimupa, the actually echo China 82,886 in China, and then death to 4,633. I just say, Hokra Yarena Chas, you know, Nino, if maybe Chawamo. Into what Ghana, many audience who yet the end dear, as a one show who ya. Ebia na said bisia krono na amwa yen but in Africa, South Africa and in omo LED in Africa with 8,232 cases with 161 deaths. Egypt 7,981 with 482 deaths. Morocco followed by 5,371 with 282 deaths. Afina in West Africa, Nigeria, and then they almost LED in West African 3,526 with 107 deaths. And then Ghana 3,091 still with 18 deaths, 303 recoveries. Ghana Health Service before they are to just say said the enema AC chronom say the na aggressive testing na omo ediaba enei ye din drapa no say amount for Ghana for ebe say face mask ye be horo yensa ye be use hand sanitizers ye be ma ye ho distances and then ye be hwe say ye be di ehuni ye ne sa no na yare no so no edwane. When you move, the virus moves. Inti unihwe ya na yakoso tufu say bomodian na esedem ibenya mre na yadi nkomo the minority ese wona yare no wonya biama na dɔɔso no yɛmfa sobo no ɛmfa mo Ghana mampanin na da wakufo adofis ɔno na yɛsɛ ne ma yɛnti ama nei yɛhunu de yɛhunu no ɛho nkomo ibenya mre na yɛtimi yɛde wonu sɛ enei entity a yɛnya ɛne sɛ sɛ nyame yɛ adom na bia totomu a bia na mampanin kasa over the weekend no na hako be say the ban on public gathering, especially on churches and mosques, no, yentum na ubi anko with specific restrictions and directions. Even I'm really in como so future some kofare by edema gum Ghana Union Movement. Was in Yamena Nakasa. Say Ghana Mampani and me a momodin no left a ban no within 2 weeks unyame aso train ebo Mampani so pa the wrath of God will fall upon our president. Ehon komo saying in the city benyamre na etumi edi. The New Patriotic Party amanyoku NPP enso akoyi empanifo a omo ebeboa amanyoku no 2020 campaign team no omo etumi ada no na the chairman of the committee no Mark Menu, Peter Mark Menu ono and the chairman of the committee deputy Miyunu Mustafa Hamid and Lord Kobe, and then John Wadu, Samia Uku, and one woman, and so in operations. Ama Amanyokono, et me apoto aba ashes so medin kunumana. The question are ye busan on Snippy. And they say ye use old voter register no. And I say the fofro and a ekro. Say the fofro na ekro. Kwamba na efaswa ye babe twetwe no. Social distancing any nearma yesi yare abenti no. Yemfa nwa kwam ni betumi adiso ana. And I say on susu say anam yare nti no ye use old voter register na enye limited registration and fa to about 2020 benyamre na yedi ho enkomo elsewhere Uriel Jacobs akasa or say because NDC for no more time Professor James the late no so panel 70 and NDC for 30 no Oko Northern Regional NDC has suspended about 6 regional executives say omoye na bi tia party no a enso ani so in Volta region South Bay parliamentary candidate for NPP constituent executives omo NPP mu or constituency was say papa no was sabotage party no nti so no omo suspended no we ene nsama for do ya transi on CDP ni benyamre na yetumi SNP ewo efidiem ha ene dey me yentwa homra ye ba panifo ha benyamre na yetumi edin
Hi, upese wo ye free yadie mu nyina ana ene enom kafefe capsules munu aba China nie yadie ben kra ena ehawo media menom kafefe capsules enti wonso nomu bi kafefe capsules enti misisi yadie ni nyina ekọ ebua ma ne siesie ma ye baby na mama ye fresh na marima de jejai monum kafefe capsules no waste pain na mobeya marima ankasa edro yi ubenya bi wa drugstore any herbal shops bia ebe wumu
kai se wo ba wo ma akranufo pemfo ni akoda wanya mfinhye dumienu anum adro yi bi se kafefe ni capsules no ho a ento kafefe
talala
FDA ahwehwemu agi atum se eye
Kumewood TV amansane yena yediemu
Yewra okroye boa yentumi daban eye kira kwato abusua pani owayire no mu nwotwe ewo mamu aduanan na ne nananom de yenka kra dia mahye ne nso wa abusua nyina woni se abiri biara wo behia wom no na dunsini etuetua wom ano we ma ne mampanifo twipene no ebusa ne hintasem na wo kire won se oba de ensem nubuna enhabama ene nunsini eno ene odidi ni mensem efiri titi nyina titi nunsini enubra ne habamei eno nene yade afa befo nsa no ene fre no agombia capsules de ni sisi eye no ya wadru ene agombia capsules fre 0244946525 agombia wa mama feel
Hi, upese wo ye free yadie mu nyina ana ene enom kafefe capsules munu aba China nie yadie ben kra ena ehawo media menom kafefe capsules enti wonso nomu bi kafefe capsules enti misisi yadie ni nyina ekọ ebua ma ne siesie ma ye baby na mama ye fresh na marima de jejai monum kafefe capsules no waste pain na mobeya
Kumewood TV amansane yena yediemu
right yema ayefa kwaba emfamra sinupi dwumadie eso nyame admo tena ena yankase ya dehye yenu apani Bishop Bernard Nyako yedi ni na wapida baby okumase na ebi nso ewo Greater Accra yegina dikasi so ema abusuafo nyina yakọ ze otina observing social distancing and then president directives on public gathering but sure say dodo beba no eba nya behwe ama no akoso Bernard ele busuafo very sad, but the effect and well, I'm not so now. Me go dingo mo from right. Baby, for high when you're now. Me call not day. Na enough not there or more suspended or parliamentary candidate for the NPP. I think first in history. Mamene constituency secretary for South Day constituency. Yes. Mr. Daniel Dudo encoding como. Open no tea and can. Yamuajo about no TV.
Yo, me also me change our TV for no Omo here Kumewu TV so.
About the same and a whole parliamentary candidate for a constituency like a constituency. What's my suspending?
Yo, say after your primaries now, electing or winning within a bigger margin, yeah, but being the DC so until on your advantage, I cannot be Kuno. And I had it to so it's Kuno. But we thought in share with young executives need the majority out of 17, young 13. We were behind the other candidates now. A contestant due to some reasons. Reasons may say, only to what is this, you know, when you might be and you could still report so complaining presidency may say. The things is that as a DC, you know, it's not helping the government. And the president only consider the appointment, but appointment say we are in the same family. They were taking things being father for all, or taking the step by step. And to him say they want a secure position which is a fabric candidate. They were today in at DC and you are contesting and no managing winning yet. So I already in the contest here who we knew we are. We all have to come together and now Abuama as you want to but you're very vindictive. Yeah, very vindictive. You're all a lot of issues. Somewhere you say party member be our complaining concerning an issue of platform, so I can't please say please don't go investigate you. But the constitution let's look at as a party member no issues with party no the whole here say good the police station if you have not exhausted all the channels now a constitution and I say party. So he continues to be misbehaved and he reported into the regional executive committee. As many regional executive committee take initiative. They've asked us to after hearing suspension letter they've asked us to wait for national executive committee almost taking a final decision on the whole issue. And we are not in there can say for now we are trying next say only the after next meeting when you are the final verdict. The step now you are taking everyone has seven boss.
Oh, okay. More sharing the same say
hello, what day?
And I was more sharing the some Suban crown. When that's in chain, add a new candidate Abana.
You.
Now, after suspension, Moon said, if you are when you're
if I chose to be your wife.
after said, what did the Bible was suspended? Moon said, and they asked her.
Oh, if I told me you.
Then what you can.
Yeah.
Now, you said, after said, what day let the Bible suspended or no. Moon is buying be say, be at say, the wife and I can name of your son.
Without say, attending in our neck or engineer neck, make up the idea, you know, abiding members of the party in the neck, make up the idea. The sure say other executives, no, in our executive committee, tie next decision na paso
Daniel Nas
yo bitu midamasi
Daniel Dudu AS secretary edema South Dane NPP na motie ne kan no say enei parliamentary candidate a ogina NPP anemu e was South Dane Honorable Ernest Patrick Kojo Mallet almost say the suban bi oda na de no enso ani anti party no a suspend no that is interesting interesting in the part of the voter region ebenyamre na yedi enkomo ma beja fa kwaba na afi yen hye nkomo no ase Mr. Paul Kwabna Yando financial secretary Asqua constituency NPP kwaba boko there if you are not yeah, by my I'm Science Skill Training Institute. Yadamasi, why? Yadamasi. Okay. Young commercial break, yaba to us.
So na bebetu mpon a ignan hye a amamu mpanifo eye omanfo no so atumi aboa ama oman no atumi apagya efiri atifi ekwa toye epuye ekosi anafo obi a kire na adwen ebi so oman na ekoso ebi so oman na ekoso ebi no se fa so bono man so ntwerefo
right yes I'm not for Baba from Sinupi on Kumaud television ebi so ye din komo we screen ni a numbers bi go pomodi an file text message no and as a WhatsApp message in the first brand Binyamre and Kinkai and from 0543 596 070 0543 596 070. I must in the first brand Binyamre and Kama. The Busani said the Electoral Commission was said Omokoswa now a year a new voter register and I said the idea I was said used that name limited registration and the Momoa if you do not treat. And so any register no emu Paul Kabayando Paul na kwanu so
na me church ye school no enema ye ho e je say e school aban actia anything fabric first of all you train tailor for our local tailors no for the next 6 months no omotime aye fashion designers just ubetimi do mako international ama mo standard bia no omutimi ehwe no mo ye government so at say but from convert na me tremu say o say Ghana ha say no say o pe atare a jise ko tailor ni ho ana o susu ansa no apama ma but bromi atare a apam de tailor ni na unim no store apam ma unim tu ya the sizes na into bus school the sizes and the training for so what I say nti sa na ya ti we nose mouse here bo ya WHO standard.
Oh, okay.
Ɛna FDA forces so adjatum. It will go go phone so since list of companies are FDA adjatum say omutimi produce standard face mask. Aman Science Skills Training Institute. Yaka ho. Yeah, until the way me and the best award the marketer. Uhumi ko mu a any pigment bia no you are not going to get it because they are ever touch skin no made with a material called calico. No bibia nim eno nti no se ahwe you so a ube wie say o prevent who from coronavirus no not akofa ya eti the FDA hihye no ene ye dey face mask kama ebi bom ye ebi so bo wi a
I say Mamenko Seydou Suleiman PNC Assembly National Secretary abani akaba
mejo semini
bakode
da ko pass
say tibiana ni wo no na mo bom pa ya ma Ghana de
bom pa because na ya bi de anka nyem pa wa gidi se Ghana de edu de anka bi de ajina ni pa wa na abua e ko nya ni because social health system na as against
okay mame kodin komo mra mame ne ura George AIC Nagmo PR enkodin komo mra right so ti enka e mo agba kuma TV
me jo so ba mana
bibi aboko de
boko
ene ye share COVID-19 said ye bo mo de tibitimi etu ase ene ho hyehyɛ ni se ko lockdown no na Nagmo mo na area mo che de ama Ghana for mo bro yemu so far no se na ko di sen
no man chiche na
yes
egusu ayeche raw food no egusu ayeche de anu de ayeche you still lockdown no na just stop 1 hot meal no che but raw food no egusu targeted people within the lockdown areas no egusu ayeche local rice ne fried or ne gari beans any some fishes that's canned fishes no be the the aged the disabled the typically vulnerable in the area are within the catchment zone no egusu ebi much omo de ebi su gusu omo che ebi mo omo pe other compliments account say no meet na che bibia fully nti nka ha that's what is going on and ya Madina Lanquantana over 4,500 packs Omochema this category of people. We
say na you lockdown and na you say man won't be comment on much room. Say there will be a call so why the need say yes possible you?
Oh yes, so be a quite but generally say COVID affected the economy in general and people's livelihood. It is typically vulnerable for them to identify the aged in particular the physically challenged in normal and targeted people when the mom within this zone. This time, yeah.
But Mr. Sir, the vulnerables, they are scattered across the country. Indeed, are restricted to Greater Accra, part of Central and then Ashanti region.
So these were the lockdown zones. Lockdown, could be a private business, almost then go forward a time depending on them to have their daily bread. And that 3 weeks, no, definitely it will affect your income. And then you have to attend to their dependents. And see, account be near gender ministry, no man or the buyer, no, we take it out to them. It goes to Kosono.
Nagmo, most room, say the amount for the directives, no nose masks. Hand sanitizers and have the washing of hands. Are you impressed?
Oh, there's room for improvement. And this way, but if you say, don't some fine there's room for improvement. And a recent information about on the infected people, no, Ashanti region typically, I would say young people who be bringing so yariano. Yeah, signal at the moment is safety protocols, no, yes, papa. So, not more. Your observation, people are responding, but there's room for improvement. You see the safety protocols near young people, or not the immune system near strong, a bit more resistant for some time. But baby, I was saying enough for going into contact with him, and for which underlying sickness, bit of asthma, and no may. Sabi or Cocotiana or no names or what I know. A vocabulary is happening here at the Afam New Yini of the Binty in so. But so far, I think people are responding.
Rosie, you're Nasi, motive that's say on Yamama.
Yes, we have that come out for us.
Good. For Rat George, AC, a customer for Edma Nadin. Ena mote kan di nwa me no manyo bi no de ye nwa ye no koso mu so a mote tibia na wo no we targeted person na wo unya bia twen e bia de e ba bete so
yes Mr. Mike
good ye chance you for free no
na e pa dia no ma na me kai bia pa my wow ga na ya bo ma sa ya yo yeah the holy month of Ramadan, the media and the past. If you're going to pass on the fees, it depends on where your location is. Because I really increase the media a big match with dinner, and I want to so.
Good. Anyway, I'm Paul. Administrator at the health facility. When it comes to this issue of health, Paul, let's look at the number of people infected. Globally, also on the background of 3,091. But Ghana has said, so you agree a peak. And then the use of nose masks and the other issues. But a minority said the view. I said, I buy not that Ghana for.
So Mike, medawasi na machia mi mpanifo a omuda party nano ewo Ashanti region ha na constituency ami wo mu so machia mi chairman Reverend Fosun Nkrumah machia mi MP MC so
is the only Reverend minister or MP chairman of Ghana.
Nyasem kitwa obone hu modern pa anti machia na enyumre na mesia mi colleague panelists so na me ne kasa wo say empaibo na amaya bedru ba bia yedi. There's no doubt about it. Nyame dia untimi nyu enyi ni free bibia mu anti wakanisa ne kon so pepepe no say wo say dia aseda no e ma nyankopon na mom so nipa afam so say wo so wa anye wafam dia enu so wonu enu hu so nsinsanso a ebeba wo so de di kan ebeda ye president ase kana do dan kwa Akufo-Addo ebeda na se pa chese asem iba ye yesi nyina no papa na show leadership ye kan leadership a ti say aduma ya mu wo hai ye wo bi a in fact o manie na movie ye friend pragmatic leader. Okay. There's a movie, and that is what the president has done. I quite remember, I think, one of Asofonibi Ekushia president, Asimo Kanye, and he said, so shot president, Kwaya, Osi Kasache, every question that be any Kwaya, or church and Semuche, no, Omise president, Odi Omano so. Kama ana me hwehwe ya odegba no hade a ebuoma entutuye kama ekoso na se wo hwe senior president aka se ye hwe yare ya boya ama yɛhu sintɔ kɛseɛ paa ɛda yɛyarehwɛ mu anaa yɛ health system mu ɛno nti animanimu yia no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛbɔ mmɔden na yɛtumi esi 88 district hospitals what I say adeɛ no ɛnyɛ sɛ 88 district hospitals no ɛwɔ hɔ it is not there eti no sɛ ebia NDC foɔ anaa nipa kuro bi tumi kɔsɛ ɛnyɛ yie na president tumi si a na wɔn pa kyerɛ sɛ saa nkurɔfoɔ na district no ɔmo wɔ saa district na hospitals ni bi wɔ no yɛn nka wɔn ngu eti sɛ yɛyɛ ne bɔ saa district no mu a ne asoa ebia sɛ ɛyɛ northern regional yɛn soa nipa no ɛnyɛ nkran ne yɛn mɛhwɛ no anaasɛ ɛyɛ buro regional yɛn sɛ nipa no firi buro ɛmɛ kumase ne yɛn mɛhwɛ no anaa.
Of course not. But
of course not.
I say no. I will let's fight the disease. Let's use the letter that we have.
The issue is that make it come back. What I say, you see, identifying your problem is also part of the solution.
Sure.
President Amir who said, "Simple oh." What I say, and all kono kakran say, "Your boshe no address bibia, I'm not gonna for." Obenya ni daso ɛwɔ yɛ health system mu so ate asɛm yɛmfa ade a president bi kan yɛyɛ asankora na wɔbɛsɔ yɛ COVID-19 mu so kai 307 ambulances so hu mfa so aba ventilators a na obi ni Ghana ha 307 ambulances ni nyina ventilators wom Baba Bisa NDC for say, so His Excellency former President Mahama, need you 33 sprinter buses now, Uncle Fabio, no ventilators room. No, appointee, no director of ambulance service. Actually, say, these are substandard ambulances. These are standard ambulances. Yet we have a Ghana for. So I say, I don't consider a boy one more Minister of Health, Ministry of Communication. What I say, a my for our World Ghana Health Service or more beer a candia. So we know beer. The beer also a book isolation center, treatment, recovery. Just say the yes, young man. Now me say. Health workers the jinaha abom mo ase emamo mo bom ho mo din papa na enyame enwanwa ekire se yesi odumani na ketua se no na umma no nyema soso a onfa no na duma a okumi ho eye what you say okumi ho eye president say frontliners o omo bua ayarefuo no 50% of their salary. In the annual sum ketwa.
Sir, 50% not a buy.
Oh, tax relief, no, for every worker. Yeah. I can confirm with my payslip.
Okay.
Say Abba.
And only buy.
But with the frontliners, no, no, according to the health sector, no, you cannot take anybody out because security law will not get. Okay, sir, on camera. Some crowd free security man no to go entire hospital. Young family say be doctor be penny power. Also we should have also me ba Dr. Sumesi also Dr. Sumesi na go no kono ko wie. So somewhere wakano assign the entire structure facility ni be bia. So such a person you cannot take him out. Okay. Contact tracing any baby or nipa na driver no we kick an or doctor but he said driver no also no kick an alcohol you get it Uber hospital PPE say everybody Uber your officers responsible
procurement for
yes
accounts office
yes Continue, continue to say more much centre and go. Moreover, almost centre and go there. All the women to not protect them. Now, all more. Yet you are called not yet the Musa and Koyano. You're calling the dangerous. So we are coming into conclusion and into compromise. they should incorporate everybody. Otherwise, you know, when you will be free man, it's not going to help anybody. It's a no, and I'm not 50%, you know, a delay.
It means the president was not ready. Because when Nick can hear this assessment and we and some of the Ghana,
there are modalities. Before we share with her. Now we catch everything.
My many correspondent of Eastern region, Emmanuel White in Kodinko. Imati and Khan, and Madiba Mo TV. Hello, Imati and Khan. Imati and Khan. Okay, I think say Imam and Khan.
And number said your modalities.
Okay, I think say hello, Imam. Good. Eastern region.
Hello, Mike.
Good. Imati and Khan. Because I Eastern Good. Eastern region. One of those maps. The fight against COVID-19. And what you said is say Eastern region.
Let us say, Yama Obidia Habani just from TV. Over Eastern region, a COVID-19 issue. They are recorded 95. That is a year 95 coronavirus, and I recorded cases, you know, over the animal. But in a good point, Ubia and Swanano, or Seattle, Ubia in Frimo. Now, as you should want for a year, which was a man, a torso, a chain, a year, a man, or tested positive for COVID-19, a man, a torso chain, a year, a man, and we through the Eastern region, there. Not farmer, the cases in Aquacudu. It's not to say, Ghana region, Eastern region, you have a with 95, Ashanti region. It will be 165, and a greater Accra 2,579.
The wearing of nose masks, any hand sanitizers usage, no name, the account of the same Eastern region.
Alright, so Mike, hand sanitizers in the Eastern region and go for SIUs. But one thing is, Veronica Bucket, you know, time man, and also Emma lockdown, and Kumasi, and Athens, and Puni Mountain. Then time on now the Eastern region, not and go for SIUs, Veronica Bucket, but if you see our cameras and Amato, a year in a domain, you will say, lockdown while left into beyond the brand of Yashi, you know, a camera said, Eastern region, a year and go for this COVID-19, set a 200 another and only the use of a Veronica opportunity and so that I was started and go for our shopper, almost I use it so the Papa here, who is the answer one of and go for and shut down the sanitizers and go for use it.
Oh, okay. As a nose mask, no, I will see hand washing, no.
Yeah, nose mask, no, Yamian Ukraine, Upa Populi Anwa, precisely, Anami, the capital of Eastern region. Nose mask, no, almost use it, Papa, because the also taxi driver, or the castle says, one nose mask, which means for instance, now, the 2 years, and we try to one a year pharmacy. Now a year the news mask, Mr. Dan share the party. Now they share how state the 2 on a security man without news mask, you can't enter. And I'm correct for 3 points. And I'm say, and I'm here. And for the use of news mask in India, Uber Eastern regional, people are here. Is and go for you, Uber Eastern regional.
Okay. You're not saying you breathe. I'm not going to see you, Mike.
Let's talk about
right. Emmanuel White, the correspondent Eastern region, and I'm watching in camp. The nose mask, no, and our face mask in there. Or Eastern region, no use no. Said, yeah, we're in South and 10 times in there. We said, and Ghana for your rift crack. It's a concentration in the palm, as if they are called the wearing of face masks. And the use of hand sanitizers. I mean, Sandra, now, honestly, mommy,
it's not the American is a president of France, but Obeka, no, other concerns is also them. And I'm a culture of
not the concern, they said, yeah, President come, yes, or come with a budget.
Yes,
I wouldn't say, say health frontline workers of Ghana. So we be at 10,000.
Yeah.
At least this amount of money. They come within 3 months.
Yeah.
Or money with me.
Yeah.
Here is the case. Okay, so it's going to shoot up our expenditure or whatever. I know make us say on Vanessa or I'm going to see and some of us.
Oh, Connors. No, President, you know, my country will say, or you're listening, President, or not that good President, who Kasa won't you, or no, Otionipa Asem. So what I know, or see what must say, or the penny here, there will be, or that one man for what I say. And you know, what they are saying, Betuga, and the year Chino. Eduma no senior etitie Sylvia normally no call restaurant wo de waiter na obe serve onu kwa na o de ohu no na atepo no we go see say kitchen ho ko ho hiti amanfo na mu enu aduane no but waiter na wo dress come na wo be hia wo de no wa transcribe ya ma no enti no yo do better na e che ni say health sector no teamwork to what say enti ye hwe no ye kan obi o kakra embom na obiara ntimi nyebi say boya e dey asumdie because your top front line now nipa na wo hwe covid patient no direct no what I say but don't forget say nipa no we dey na duma no wo dadawo sa schedule na no wo daso dada no we dey mo obi ana nipa no e na duma no wo yo sa bi ewi eti nipa no ko wo tie no e double work you get it eti no ntimi nka say somebody sikomi ma wo mu ko de na wo mu soso ensese o mu ka ho e de nipa no wo covid na duma na front line na o san ne schedule no you get it eti no president we listening president o tia sem
for commando no Suleiman Sinu you share this issue was president well briefed and planned because ya ko na ya ko yese enipa no a ebia o estimate yese be 10,000 no even though to kwa ko be 40,000 or even more you was ahode no
you be that should be say Mike say Mike what's in the ya say we need to marry some people okay the great for some time now I've been observing the decisions I take here ever since I recorded the first 2 cases of COVID-19 in Kumasi. Whether indeed a decision I shut down now will try any remove. Now I have decided and I said, yes, sorry, I'm the Virginia Home can share among you the boy to make. I have a baby this house because within me, you have no work Paul. Me and Paul, sorry, I not working. Say, Mike, it is very clear. Me shall say they are now already doing. Say whether indeed the president said, look, these are a number of people who are at the front line, and I say, and sorry, I don't say you have to do something for them, and then okay, but it's not obvious that was not happening. I'm going now with trade. Again, if you know who say when you are the security man, no, I saw a channel, procurement officer, I saw a channel, cleaners and so on, I saw a channel now. And the decision would not have been like this. We did a sang, I said that more taxes, I will be taxes now. Yeah, for my mom, and can I pay percent bonus and as allowance, and can put that one aside. Okay, earlier on, now the WHO will say we should be budgeting some $35 million for COVID-19. Around that time, Ghana allocated $2.5 million. President Baba Kasano, whom paid $100 million. $100 million, look, I said,
from 25 million, I think it moved on to about 25 to 36. And some President Bekasa. Every month they found 100 million.
Okay, records are new. The first announcement was the $2.5 million. Then the $100 million. Amma, I had the finance minister of parliament. There was a straightforward question whether indeed the amount of money is already there. And I said, I've been about it. Oh my God, I said, I paid them. All your home, like going for loan and so on. women now AC. Come and talk about 88 district hospitals. And that's all kind of already said that our hospitals are uncompleted ones. Several of them dotted across the country. One now feel about if you say, oh, you say, those ones, contractors, issues and so on. Now, after we are looking for reasons to justify the position of the president. I think, say, all in all, nobody is chasing the president when they came to take certain decisions. They are far bound sinners. Into your best friend, when now would trade, and you depend on when now would trade, maybe fishing be our way to keep you ever talk to, and that's what the can have been many of all, in our language in Baka to Coscorima. But be actually, we say, we should come into a listening very soon. And then Trump kind of administration, that's
all. Now we want to send Gobiaka, and then the percentage wise, not only a buffer one, and Nanka buffer. Then say, I will make it the mention of Nafilitano. President, said you want to pursue from the Sun Empire. And they say, no, I have there essence of Abonable, and you woman in Salon Bayano. Because we heard the amount of money that will go into that allowances now. Especially now that a very obvious, somebody in a look, clean account, security account, and others, that amount of money is going to be so huge. Everybody say electricity. When him say up till now, when we feel, you know, we are kind of say, oh, yeah, now some bonus as a result of because electricity made me feel many number used to 200 Ghana cedis. The call in 100 free, now top up 100 Ghana cedis.
Many you see 50 Ghana cedis. Okay. 50 Ghana cedis.
Because they are funny now.
50 Ghana cedis on funny now.
As it stands now, not even 1 Ghana cedis.
Over there, no.
Of course, and my household.
Then I think there is a problem.
I'm only
illegal connection meter. But we do
Sir Mike, me two are dynamic. Okay, a car NAPCO 100 million, 100,000 NAPCO recruits. When you say, hey, if you have budget allocated for that, amount of money that was around 400 million Ghana cedis. But when your calculations are, without even administrators, almost 800 million Ghana cedis for the NAPCO. And now, NAPCO recruiting, there's not been a point when now allowances. Maybe I will be the strategy in the same. Then finally said they are 100,000. Now pay 50,000 for the. In two accounts, so 7 man with you. In effect, the essence, and they couldn't hear a day sub programmation. We don't want to achieve.
Now somebody on
health. Very good. So this government is not being straightforward to Ghanaians. This government is not being straightforward to Ghanaians. Because we have all these amounts listed now. There is a fundamental problem and this government must address it.
But do you agree with the Ghana Health Service in 24? Because 40 years administrator Ghana Health Service. Only I was so beyond or health sector benefited from that 50%.
Once from day one, let me say that announcement this is very populist. This you sure that I'm thinking true. Because I got frontline workers. It's not only the doctor in this PPE, it goes beyond that. And we say, look, this is just a populist one. And that was not the way to go. Assure them, say the government will reward them accordingly. Assure them, say, as a result of his work, now of his duty. Listen, who was some special package for that health worker, irrespective of where the worker is. Because when we time is Western North, say I really do wrong. Why do you ever in Kanye Kumason one? But then I'm Western North one. Sa on the health worker or meeting that or yarupo work okura ere COVID-19 yare emi dino. Ono ye ne. We frontline worker and also frontline worker. We security man and say also frontline worker. It's not a populist one. The government, like Kojo Ponkuruma, one of his media encounter, look, we were taken by surprise. I think they are still in the mood of being surprised. And for that matter, the management of the health system, into the American Castle, look, Empire Airborne, and now we are not recording the death such as that of UK, Italy, and so on.
I'm not Empire.
Oh,
are you more religious than them?
Oh, we are. Well,
I had a Kumaro television, Sinupi, and Enyamra Sinupi, channel, so I didn't channel. What about always Pinania numbers no WhatsApp line, Fafa Subra, Enyamra, and kind from all. Young fast that, and from Annolin Royal Enterprise. Was the name ABR now a set of drums, microphones, amplified speakers, all kinds of guitar, both electronic and I say acoustic, trumpets. I would go and I open keyboard and I will part of speakers. You know, you will be a way I catch about the Yamre. Now, it will be a yes, I know I say it. Now, tell them kind of crap of me say one. On the someone with me a TV. Original equipment, the machines and the tongue at the amount of Annolin Royal Enterprise. Modern na a frame, a brand catchy, na a no in Kumagana, Biabiano, Oba Kumasi. Chronom Adonko Junction or Ena Ubihu Annolin Royal Enterprise say you 0244 073 525 0244 073 525 bra na ye more na fi so won so no unya set of instrument mu asori fi emo na emon krono etimi insane eho amensamra well Paul ye share Manuel Diamo can say a bad management and I'm not to do I could do 391 with 18 deaths. I not say apart from KCCI, any Gucci no, you're saying 9 new testing centers at the account. But still, the minority who said more than one of
Minya message do asibi na tize de wa wutu adwenkyere de eni ba akofo tim wunya kwan kotena parliament ano nkyere se wunim nyansa nyina so atiase no na wa wukyere mu ze aside Noguchi ene KCC ya senya additional 9 centers a ye hwema sa testing nyina akoso na wutina ho na wo ka kyere se still bad management na se wo ankasa no enye o man no ho adwen papa na wutim dem wo selfish interest. How na kasa tell me panda wo kasa no ono o mo right to even talk what me get double salary what I say when allegation oh WWE is what allegation is over a year what and no sometimes no every sometimes na blame our own government and can pay he doesn't have the moral right to talk what would the minister salary what are the MP salary who are no also kasa secondly every minority for ya ka say time ayare sha se we China yan ko fa Ghana for China for our China for Ghana simply the omochia and the omochia say Mike I say NDC for who no who bon samwa fine such as who should bon sam now who NDC near fine what they can amaya omo be NDC for futuachi Mama go for one for US ni Italy ni Spain. On go for one for China. I call mu no. What would you to woman? What would you to woman? No, the issue is that some people for the boomer. That time no, that idea of quarantine no had not set in. So I said, it will be done. I don't need one no or the whole thing. So there's nothing like for you to have when you say oh, they are ready to call him. I cannot trace him. So I say, and this is full of Cophobia. Nobody in Ghana should waste their time on that. I mean, I didn't benefit. I don't know anything. Now, can you pay to me double salary? No money. So I say, it's so no cause of bad management or because there's not we don't see anything good in the president and in this government. But you know you say the capacity of KCCR is about 1,500 a day. So I said, you get my point.
And testing has been about 139,000.
You get my point. But initially, you are following about 19,000. And the president said, no, let us do a health testing. From 19,000, every 135, 39. Where anyone some say, you're saying 9 new centers. That's a huge nothing. No, because and a bad management and the cost. What are you trying to tell us?
The government would have done more.
What? What else would the president and the government do? What else? What I say? A Jew say now, two politics and personal interest, and two baby. You show holistically. What is the president of the assembly and the whole world? Obia to asema president ekaye. What I say? Economy na NBC for the question. IMF on sano. So economy no. You go to me aye niema you are dream. You go to me go back. But nipa kwa every me sa. To say doom so. Okay, mami be doom so time. Oni ni kuru generator ni ko share them. Generator ni tutu no. So what I say? Ebe eku wo mo. Maame bi sisi kai sɛ Ghana hankɔ na mate sɛ mmerewa yɛ demonstration Mahama time mmerewa abrewa baako wɔse
sponsored by
who sponsored by who abrewa maame panimu abrewa yɛsi the more you grow no the more godly you become no yɛn ni ko kyerɛ sikama abrewa ɔdɔdeɛ kɔ so ɔdi bi so kɔ si a ɔdi kɔ so bi na me I was one person, I mean, before the fear in the agro. You told me coffee, but do so a mammy or kubolo. Because you coffee are not free. Light to her. That's a doom the same fear, you do no. No, you call crying a new debut. Plus two, do now you do so. You don't only go to coffee. You pay 3 coffee. And no, or being in the family, so the fear, or no, minor. It's a mechanism. NDC for any minority for they have nothing good for us.
Okay.
They have nothing good.
For you to ask in the first moment. So from there I said they can manage their members to observe the social distancing and other protocols. Tibaya Mampenimid to Namunkwasori. Respecting
Minia. And then you were democratic dispensation. Into a beer to me a canadian. So what I say. No. Yama asofo ene hwan for ni obia o show concern hu se abai no na mi nje da so obeka ni to bi dem o the two dem se fie no abai no benefit dem we nya free ho what I say and president so be na akufo about governance say ni chechire o ma ya woni mo na say ni chechire o ma no productivity or so nipa hyɛ dɛm a productivity ɛfuro sɛ wɔn mu ɔman kyekyere a ɛyɛ na nipa hyɛ dɛm a wɔyɛ interest na mmom nipa nkɔ a ɛbɛtumi atwere yɛn na yɛyɛ no yɛakyerɛ wɔn pɔn a ɛfa so a ɛba deɛ pɔn a ɛfa so a ɛba no.
wɔn de se market ni sɛ kɔ central market a sɛ nipa si bu fa so wɔn a yɛ ni mu wɔn nyinaa bɛ wura mu epie at any time sɛ wɔn kora no kɔ deɛ ɛna sɔre a wɔn mu sɛ sɛ wɔkɔ presby a. You are
comparing two things. Asori dem ho no ye tomatoes ana bayre no asori dem ho. Ni ko compare we bedie na wo se dem no ene duane na wo to ko bi.
Me na say.
So te dey ko no.
Ko asiri. So le meti o.
Se mai. Sa program e CBP. Ba ya se mi ni akọ. Na about the say yes senior education so ko na o di hu sa hu e shop for e shey we say some members of parliament on Majido Bosala which are be e ko 4 years one team and chima kokora antu no be tin asa ka say it's not an allegation but it's a fact o sinupi e was how to be I think say you are not being fair to them. you say opinion feel say nkona we na nka ye ka na nka we fo a ye ne ka ho enti say omo parliament house one na wa ban hwe omo double salary na so o hwe omo sa na that means so as we speak no who the triple salary na for and after quadruple salary so na gdami kan nyane ko because we say for what na say what should be said omo double salary
omo say asono ko
how long? Yes, justice delayed. Justice denied.
Sure.
So it is then that means that people now will pay. So Ampanyampa, they all can earn credit. By now we should have seen some of the heads ruling.
I don't understand
Ampanyampa. Allegations are cool. Say, look, before 2016 election, the allegations are yagi. Before 2008 election, there were allegations higher. For almost 28 years, Ghanaians, about the time I say, Ama, NBC name before I say, Rana, where shall I say, or Crawford? Until my man, Bamacho Motu, or Bow to Chobiantu, or to the Bia. Not yet, no, I got a moment to say, we were wasting, Simon, when they be about I can ask them, look, you only have. I mean, people are thinking doing the right thinking in our political discourse when they are in opposition. I mean, because NDP, NBC, Omaya say, yeah, I'm about the door. Into what I say, no, so I say, I am here. You did this, this I want to so. Many general, it's been your fault. So I know on that. For what? Into now 4 years. You don't have 100 years. You don't have all the 80 years. The about 4 years said, "Black, never did you Ghana." Well, but one more chance so Jida, Sada, Bass Branding, what? Me now Oba, Obedi Kujuma, Zoom Lion and so on. That's all about Zoom Lion contract. Why extend the cross out for the Akam? Obi Amanasa Zuli, why comprehensive investigation on him. I want all the evidence. Why we also you sue those information your campaign about power. 3 years, 3.5 years. You got 4 years in you. One thing will be on farm. No, the thing I say repeating the same thing now. What are you talking? What are you telling Ghanaians? Who be insane, Mr. Paul? I think that is not it. Okay. Come to the minority position of bad management. Because I mean, me sure Taiwan, PDC and making come how they fought the coronavirus. Let me say, as we speak now, I'm not recording even 500 cases. Who did the country Taiwan in their home? And so, some few kilometers from China. In fact, say, I don't know in Framadia and can record Taiwan and San about any other country in this world. They are the closest neighbor to China. Only there are cases up to 500. Only every 16. You can verify. And it's a Taiwan. How would that close to China? I'm not going to manage to this extent. No one but can I say, why are there? I think so, you're not being fair to Ghanaians once again.
And then also, I'm very good talking about isolation, self-quarantine, mandatory quarantine, and all these things. No, do you think, sir, 1 year there?
Oh, we talk 45%. So much on max. We use that zero. I try zero. We should zero for because we say the 45 player destiny zero. But say bonus a better one up pass it as a cool woman. We say we zero me now become a name. Okay. So we tried it into the some of this kind of scoring that I'm talking about. And too sharp. They try zero. No, they try 45. We are all going to write no deck. Only that control you. And to you know the president, yes, indeed. They are going to say Ghana from the power over to the president. But the two on the scale of whether indeed they are there now. I want to go and say, Ukraine, Abana, and for this reason, young Tuntiano and to my PNC.
Okay, all right. So, for you know,
so, Mike, Ukraine is Anka. religious body be on no man. I saw more push for some of these things now. Now can before. Because we are in a holiest month. Ramadan, any month, Kito, Seoba, Islamic calendar. If a man can hear, they say push. Even though some of us say, oh, can you and farm. But because I mean, we have two things. Okrano and the body. It's about the soul and the body. Say, why is your body now? The soul will not survive. Once your soul now, the body will not survive. But interestingly, you know, we need to marry the two of them. Similarly, we can do that. A bit more consolable with you. Yeah, I like it. They say, well, visual platforms are it may use. Now, as of one we use this kind of visual platform. Now, as all crowd, what instructing all the branches say, oh, if you're car title, what did you know? Oh, some farmer or more, call for now, church members. No, we crowd what peer, but for some time, one bar, sorrow crown, you're going to be because, say the president car, we are not in normal times. If you need peaceful. Christian pastors are body suggestion here and as a proposal here, but the best strong. So you know and shut down course. Okay. If you a curve now, the kind of meaning say the curve moving now, what you mean say look apart from powder and a sash to course. About from a sash to course. There's a 3 times.
That time now almost say contact tracing. But they say they're most of the contact tracing.
And they say you're not contact tracing human.
But it's limited.
You're limited and you're limited. This kind of viruses, especially 3 channel, they normally occur in 2 stages. So the first stage, you're quite a first stage, no. After we never call the second stage. I should whether indeed we can consolidate our gains. Consolidate our gains.
Are you expecting this weekend I'm believe Casa say public gathering ban 2 years ago? And as I work on some of income.
Because I've been observing the data.
Merci. Mami kama si kaka mdia bana ya ntu asuma sa uju bantima wase ni lebo mampani abaso pa bi se mo de bo mampani ebo in fighting against COVID-19 no was so especially manoti for no kan ye montu wase Ghana for mo de se ba ko yesa na ebe se news max no e ka hu bia no ye de so na etumi ewa masa uju dia di fi bantima e de aba enema we say nice one Paul, you know, over patients, and so they are the abandoned. So, Mamenko, Binamo Libya, Libya, rats from Libya, and our council, Ghana for Yedi, and Kabaya Padia, almost catch the Ghana Funina. Said Yeni NDC, NMP flow, name far part from PNC, the don't believe me up. I see Libya Bogus now, so no, as your child, I'm moving to Libya. Dimaso, moja muye pa ewo. Ose ofaya ekunfi napa ena odi efi eba. Ofaya se menkan se DC ni Don Ramani Mahama Ghana mpeni se omu ne hwi edi mo man Ghana. Yo metumi ya no meye no so kwa no ankoyi nti omu ya propaganda no na na da ko fado omu de emu oman no etumi enfa emaye. We so dia odi aba Abrapa from Apimenim, Apinima. Okay, I believe I'm right. Abrapa say, Kumaru, our nation television, good. Our citizens of more Eastern region, especially the Jabo district. As a said, COVID-19, no, is the Amana Hono. Was said in Kranukumasifon, really para. Na yɛhwɛ nose mask no ɛtotɔ nneɛma yi na ɛtumi aboa mo ɔman no ɛtumi ɔna bɛreka packet no so no yɛsu ɛbɛtumi aboa yɛ paa ɔno nso ɛdeɛ no we say Dennis from Nkwanta ɔsɛ monka kyerɛ MPP foɔ no sɛ deɛ ɔmo yɛ ne mmoa ɔmo mo koraa ɔmo ntoto ɔman no yie na ɔmo nya deɛ ɔmo kan ka hɔ no ɛmmoa ɔmo okay ɔno nso deɛ no yɛtwa ɔmo mmra sisi a ɛba ɛyɛ abɛtɔ
so na bebetu mpon a igina nhye a amamu mpanifo eye omanfo no so atumi aboa ama oman no atumi apagya efiri atifi ekwa atoye epuye ekosi anafo obi a kye na adwen ebi so oman ne koso ebi so oman ne koso ebi no se mfa so bono man so ntwerefo enuti na Kumawu television yakofa dwumade ato no din right yes and ma hwefa kwaba famra Stinupi on Kumawu TV kwaje tse no bra ne nyamre enkenka ma we screen no mu a WhatsApp lines no ewo papa so bra ne nyamre enkenka fama Dr. Baba Zamu master planner Interpol Dr. Diode Abba wasi minority no o my confused pa na se no si ya woni ma ne de so ni COVID-19 team no this is 40 years no many be no mudia minority for complain no wasi many be pa mudia ama minority for complain no no so no dia for the Abba no we say Nana Kwame Mensah Bonsu Saka Afo wase ebede pa na obi betimi dia so mampani se ono no modern ba wo no eno na ma Ghana bodo no ayi wase enso ni na ina ebu ngomo ko he tia ebu se eni mo mampani bu akun mu na aboa ama Ghana bodo ka no do no ano etia ta do se kenya bi se de mampani ya yo na baso na entity for Ignite Young Beckham and just ABY and then Honorable Maxwell assembly member Dr. Sto. Christian Amwa Edifi Asenkoga Christian Semai Yakama Asenkoga pa na kaka bi before no say omoki asante regina no mu meri be so a e be to tie omo ka omo se ese fiantia enkoma inanwa omo Western North na okay kita kudu te na so e no dia ba kasi coronavirus no a global disease na ya na atanzo won tie ndi na sekra e wo nsemu a e mo kan na wo compare o man pani John Dramani Mahama dada ene Ghana man pani bi ya di wa kwa pa e Ghana man pani of this week nti ndc for enya da mo kan na ono so enya iti tia enkoma Honorable Suleiman Ademu MP Ahafo no constituency also at the Alba Honorable Bamba I say okay edifi na from I say the start money to pa na front line workers na there say my menne for the na ya say his excellency Bambani teacher constitution ya mwase enso ya onso dia ba o se mesra Ghana ko nyina wo mte dia di foka te dia di foka no e munya mo muntie o mudia di foka chi a do na bewu nti we Ghana na mbeso bewu dia mo dia na etie dia ba ni dia ba na entumi emwa ono so dia no Farouk tema na Farouk so dia ba o se thank God for Kama na dia na wa pa Brother Mahama some of the kind of bribia etwemu inde gwabon pa na okuko danya about so bibia no wasi engineer for Aba and Lisa Samuel apia nuna no mo Gisak otiamo right amesa refi na yenpa so for ticket na or bata ticket na I new voter register and I say good one.
Right. Mama TBV Kakan filming the answer ma wakano. You were one Ghana Health Service. Obakupeo. President Ekata. The all Kenyan Ghana Health Service directors na there. So I say, in the Ukase management there. In fact, here Mr. John Dramani Mahama, PP is now what right. Yanko commercial break here.
Hi. Opese wo ye free. Free yadeɛ mu nyinaa ana ɛne ɛnom kafefe capsules munu aba China nie yadeɛ bɛn kra ɛna ɛhawo media
so na bebetu mpon a igina nhye a amamu mpanifo eye omanfo no so atumi aboa ama oman no atumi apagya efira tifi ekwa toye epuye ekosi anafo obi a kye na adwen ebi so oman na ekoso ebi so oman na ekoso ebi no se fa so bo no man so ntwerefo enu ti na Kumawu television yakofa dwumade ya to no din Sinupi ede ebrewo Sinupi amanyosem Sinupi ensem a ye bu mosuko ene ebedwafo ahia adwada ekosi fiada 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Shia na ene abedwafo ahia anyenyo no man ho yenhwe kron man no befa so a ebetimi etumpo Sinupi on pen nada wo kufado sen eno hu Ghana
ya mobo wo Ghana etisika so o manya ohia man nenam amamu a enkoyie enti no ekomde
on pen nada mahama so sisle
fertilizer ye cry ya ye tro say ye nton not for sale and obi de not do wan hu ohu for sale ekuafo entimi antono akafa chiche omo ma fertilizer na da hosa e ma fertilizer na be say
so na bebetu mpon a igina nhye a amamu mpanifo eye omanfo no so atumi aboa ama oman no atumi apagya efira tifi ekwa toye epuye ekosi anafo obi a kye na adwen ebi so oman na ekoso ebi so oman na ekoso ebi no se fa so bo no man so ntwerefo enu ti na Kumawu television yakofa dwumade ya to no din Sinupi ede ebrewo Sinupi amanyosem Sinupi ensem a ye bu mosuko ene ebedwafo ahia adwada ekosi fiada 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Shia na ene abedwafo ahia anyenyo no man ho yenhwe kron man no befa so a ebetimi etumpo Sinupi on pen nada wo kufado sen eno hu Ghana
ya mobo wo Ghana etisika so o manya ohia man nenam amamu a enkoyie enti no ekomde
on pen that Mahama so say.
Fertilizer ye cry ya ye chro say ye ntong not for sale, not for sale. And obi de not to do who for sale. Ekuafo entimi antono. Ankafa chiche omwe. Omuma fertilizer na da hosa ema fertilizer na be say.
Won so edian ena kan ede afọ me. Ngo man no essay.
Ye ku adwuma. Ewo district yi mu. A problem is we ku adwuma na isi abe owe. Oba fa ni nyina ase ni nyina abre. Unu obi ani oba beto. Nti wutia na ho kire na wutim. Nti ye hu ise galamsey no.
Right, yes am akwaba famra Kumawood television. You go so ye din komo on COVID-19 and afi so no ye twen komo yibisa ensem mienu ene say the issue of say new voter register yenye foforo and I say father than one engongo twaba na yenye limited registration yen fast die emfa ema kafefe capsules man me dru ba kwa eboa etu yarwa bodo ase kafefe capsules mema no obema no se wo ho na ese fon odi boss wa na wajimu sisiare nti ema untimi enkusnenu enkoniye sanso ena ya na ese wodun so kwa na bebum ehihyew ni na no nya adure bebi tun abo pa ma no so munum kunda wose wonte atenka mo so a ana nsuo bi efiri maseba na makan empampan aba mo ho menstrual pain ni na no nya kafefe capsules betumi aboawo hyene so se bebia o man Ghana de kafefe capsules no okwa obenya bi ato ebi aton do bia no okwa wose me kafefe capsules na o betumi aboawo we from matufui 0207 183 819 0207 183 819 na frɛ andu mu no yentumi emfa emro mame nkopo ho na ye nkoto sport na o robata ketu ebu bia afi bisa se voter register no hu be nya se de yekoya de se ye mpese Ghana fo be wu bibiri na yare no so enkon kan no enkoso no ka yenye foforo ana se bada na yesu
se ma mesa do asibe na kakra me nua kan ye na me ti bibi kakra afa ho I say you were one Ghana Health Service. You know, your health sector was a Ghana Health Service. President Kasevia Kadiani Bibiano or the Koma will move some fine juma. Say Mose, you're managing the year, dear. And your mom and I am managing at the end year. You get it. It is a Uzu PP watch channel. What's that the Koma? Then what are you trying to say? I don't know why I want to share with PPAs and now say Ghana for COVID-19 patients and what you get it. Why we need my here? What time at Arena? Now they are coming Ghana Health Service for President we are not to be a coming Ghana Health Service for. Then you sit back and say you're managing here. What are you trying to say? I know PPAs why I want to share now from COVID-19 patients and now share more. That is your baby or minor mama politics and our common them. Otherwise, youth in a way to say a politics no, it's all about lies. But it's all about lies. What are you trying to say? You're managing here. What's the same man now? The same people are more managing. And you know how should they manage it? If you have any ideas, suggest to them. So your friends are not over doing Tari and no kosher.
Okay.
He's a commander in the war. So and no commander will go to me.
Okay.
One more planning room. The president is the planning room. Okay. The ministers are the cabinet ministers, and they are the planning room. If they say they all kind of patch, they say, you will about me on the country, say, Mama, the GD. And then that means, no more, a Ghana Health Service. BBI and a Ghana Health Service, they all catch him now. He's negating his leadership responsibility as some show. That is what we
as long as can what's your man? I'm managing the same Ghana Health Service for no.
We are not medical doctors. I bishop PPR. You don't say manage.
Okay.
Instead, we have the managers of the economy, the managers of the country, I the executive. If they are failing, just the executive is failing.
Okay.
If they are doing well, it means that they are doing well. Who want almost sounds for my son, no more money of the year. They are going to fail.
Okay, young family see yaw of Nakwa or say voter register, say Mike, say a bear fru, say no fru, electoral commission there, or because I have for na Yanso Evaco register massively near her say NDC besign Edim Kubu, or no the Abba, I don't know. When you say Samai, Bishamo Eddie a free Nkofo Ewa Lembele. Na voter register there ye I well embele ye crowd pa say ye de no there ye be ye nti EC ensha say kra no ye tentem emfa emaye okay ye nya na ze
oh say na wo me
okay say Mike me that voter register say there every day we are in the month of May from May continue and I will share the regulation that ECOWAS and West African Sub-Region there's an agreement say 6 months to general election. Certain major activities are making affect the elections in 2021. So I think it's very obvious to all of us.
Okay.
So at least we should show good faith in taking decision and having our signatures to.
Okay.
More so, say, Mike, it is very obvious. So the PNC in Kwao, even though PNC is the first political party, I shall say, look, the current voter register is fit for purpose.
Okay.
They make me the issue. Some other political parties, every journey, every support you. In the political parties in Kwao, civil society organizations, and the Bako, and the Millennium Mensa, Bako, and team. Almost all the civil society are very active ones. Only at one particular point, I can say, look, there's no need. The current voter register is fit for purpose. Electoral Commission and Kasamo, somewhere December, say, look, the voter register for the assembly elections are fit for purpose, are credible. The way we know, was it that it's very, very credible. I swear, a year. And now, there's somewhat a political strategist to this ruling party, Gado Asendako. Because I look, or not an assessment, there's nowhere easy betting. I have a new, credible, acceptable, transparent voter register for a new one for 2020 election.
Okay.
Gavin Kai, what the Twitter account? So I'm putting down on the account.
It is in the for
it is too obvious, say, coronavirus have been a deciding factor.
By the EC, Dr. Frank Sribo say ye new register as well. Yet to me a credible election for this.
Watching on I think say that week now new on newspaper. Say my on newspaper or by the clarify say look, that is not exactly what he meant. But what he really meant is say even if you are going to use this current voter register, the old one, actually say be a verification.
Yeah.
Many I say police station one. We
have been doing it.
That was what you were saying. The very significant, and that's one reason now. I'm not proud to say because of that, I'm person of change voter register. Say man, say voter register is overbloated. You know that people don't come and vote. Say voter register is overbloated. The only genuine, critical thinking and skills to get away with the overbloated register and say never from. This is the weakest argument ever.
Okay.
Finally, from Prime Minister. 1 second. Voter registering among the ruling party, not 50%, 53%. A difference of over 1 million votes with the next competitor.
Okay.
And this is a very himself. Wow, put Juma pa. The Juma so you said that Mubesa EGB now.
Okay, we say politics in the politics na mwakura na into yare na simu and bit me abwaye. Okay. Nana yaw amankwa o se semalik me hwe mo pa na omo hye mo ne ma ne yema na hwe me ka kire mo pa se Ghana no kufu
upgrading no I was saying it's in a new software you bet media. Moreover, machines in the idea, a dear no. Nina, what they are before. So I say, yen fa foforo embra moreover me no bi ni nyina te ha ena in 20 year ye to abawie 2017 there about easy for nsensem eba ye Charlotte say ne lawyer ebeka kire say sa na do ye nyina ya da no na Amadu Sule a nko password to the electoral data ya da na do no na Amadu Sule ko where office ho na or transfer illegal votes. You get my point. You get it. The old register no some bata
by your new management
you get it. It's a new management now about every month MDC for at the Ghana Zika 4 million at the paper computers.
Why do you say MDC for?
Many of the contracts in my woman. So what I say, Charlotte say who won the appointing?
Oh, okay.
Do you get it? Do you get it?
No, everyone Mahama.
Do you get my point?
Okay, so now the current EC is also working for Kufuor.
But what in the issues? What in the issues?
When did we hear Charlotte say issues? It was when?
When saying?
The better by any tea. You have to obey any tea, yes, sir.
And you say you have to obey any tea. The Mamma now engagement with the opposition, you know, yeah, Kase. EC data no enya papa obi kan ho asem so I say and she knew it I don't know about two na numu to nyom na kan yo say anajo no say Amadu Sule no what password no e ko transfer illegal vote mami dey men say what in one asem bi sada in fact we ne talks with the opposition ne other political parties
do you go just appear on this time?
Oh, we don't say meeting. Encounter.
My main announce my lines no na na intimate for portion 020 0603 602 020 0603 620 Rainbow Kaswa or say NDC should get it clear. Say omo new voter register no ye be ofo eno an tia wa wetin abem ni afa to so
ti yame kan say ni nyina ko si say register na e no enya ye pe credit ana credit mo na ye mo ti ase as abatwa ye betu ewi a entawa bia entimi emba
okay ye kwa ho mane so good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Mark.
Good.
Mama or Basapanu producer, Kuman, Sinpi, Mobile Jumapa. We did the back of I'm a free commander the Chamso. I'm a chair secretary in the channel for Papa. Now, I always Ubisha question be my MPP, you know, Ubisha question be the park. Ubisha saying to share Jamesa, the local father in the bar, or no crowd, and the local father of us, and made it all for. In the banner, every child is into a new year, mamma, and papa. I send the baby, all of that to my Tukuma. Or Saka word be the honor, Hamaka. So let that uses our word media only association for any for your grandson. We show more and some. I cannot forgive you international. From your minister or NDC, Adam Fawn in the Coba, we mean to a noble some. Yet to come and no can and no Roman Penina, no glory be I am myself. Many as a max, and what to say, or Penia Queen campaign managers. On their campaign, or be a cook of the 19, I've done in Nigeria who has him say a poem, and then also what he campaign to. Where's all of Arabia and this Vokota was a way among us, some massacre for what could be adding a few people to know. I confirm what then in Euro, confirm and be MPP for you. That's the way. Hello,
good evening. Hello, good evening, opening.
Hello, good evening, Mr. Mike.
Would you have free NT or anybody?
A patron, Doctor Baba, Master Plana Junior Kintampo.
Good. Kintampo for United Champa, Yamistra.
Joseph, and we more by Mapayan Copo, issue on mobile field coronavirus. I am what you should be as our Mama Sanka.
Amen.
Manai COVID-19 abai worldwide obia tia saya ni na mo dia mo pese mo dia polity nso se abani e bibi na anko ya na mo bebo na tie why say ese ontu boda wantum obetum nso a ombie lockdown mo se yi e bi nso mo ta de tine ya bi hwe 2020 inshallah whether new or old voter register his excellency na do dan kwa fufadu obere ni election cause ajumo pani ajuma dia wo go man yin na ya hu bi hwe o education sector kwa na se bobbo ajuma pa papa yaya ade beche hwe senior high school ba
Yanasi, Abayadasi. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello, Abay, my joining ring.
Yeah.
Good. Would you be free until?
Come with me.
Kuma with me until.
Hello.
Abay, my Kuma with me until. Kasa.
I'm about to be the patient.
Christian.
Because I said to.
Okay.
The person I agree with the report the Okano. Who shared it in here? Hello.
Yet you.
Who share someone share this now? We do gun and I did someone here we share but I agree with you garden I did your kind of
Yes, so yeah, that's it. Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, wouldn't be afraid free until. Good. Wouldn't be afraid free. Santiman, even until.
Roger, you need many for no. Maybe they get Naga and you need many for one. I need for you, maybe a your money or mine. Or money is almost a multi-scan, a money for no money. You share another of my oil. And it's for the and any money.
Yanasi, also with you. Good evening. Yes, sir. Very good evening. Maybe I'm free until. Kasa, it's you.
You may not share me pay for all. You are Mr. No, Papa. So much. I'm complaining now. You see, I'm going to say, I'm going to go end. So, I'm a bit of a lockdown. You know, it's stop. I'm going to say,
Yanasi, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Sir Mike.
Okay.
Sir Mike.
Well,
hello, good evening, Sir Mike.
My jaw was opening.
Yeah, Congress in the do feature so in the bay.
Good, Congress means you.
Yeah, Sir Mike, Mamma Nawasi in the Maya Kunya Kasia with Damamin. Namisa Kunya Wiso, Namincha Dr. Samuel Sapon, Namincha Dr. Sorry to say this. Mincha this executives of all regime of my GBTO. Sir Mike, what can somebody be? The COVID-19 in summer, Sir Mike, over was young. I pay no on my pain and other dankwa. And now, the kind of quencher you say. Ghana, so saying, and I was on my more year for the Aku Kudu. Look as if some man pain and other one more, I will never be more. Or to my and other copy, Sika, and Francis Sika and Saka, and we gay, say young corner, you could sit in a young flat. I didn't make us a Tama and 90 plus a 100, Kumasi, and then give a greater account in part of Central Region. In Tama, being another down continue to put in Nada, and Katama, ya hit 3,000, and the open say, I see the government and tell you say super competent to go for it will make an example could do a Twasi and will do and this electoral commission, which is your Mojaba, some of our voter register for and tell you class on my pin and other than what we don't make them more. So what's the one sure? Yes, support that I did that I had the boat 2016. Yes, first I did that I found 2020. We natural on my pin and other than will lose credibility. But we can afford, and when you say, but 12 minutes, some comfortable local, and we're bad, some comfort, tell them say, It's movement to a better boom. If I make His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, on not
And I say, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
We need to be free.
Okay, maybe your friend of France, the Catholic Cooperative.
Town,
NDC4 NDC4, you are playing of the Ghana. Yariaba, Yarene was a year, you should not put you say Yarian before I stand your best started politics. I started politics. Takaka NDP, Kaka NDC, Yalin, we are going for Yalian next year. The picture, baby, Kulana, Kulana, lockdown by a moon bindi. Woman, you see, Katia, so I have to show on Monday, Jenny, any politics. Then politics. Omuche yesu ahini mekane na the account of the mawo no mu just fit me NBC someone now here to catch a Ghana no ama
also for that sepa hello good evening seriously
what dinner no no
good
but now what to say
already adu me ho ya pa yentio
seriously we share better democracy na mount for clients na dembo wa so na chair NBC paying for so I'm to the shares on the dot you chair na me chair income for asqua I'm coming to go income to shares so the chat na go with share na yeah ha no quite na aban we no function what shit ya na apana ye bomb fight the application so ya it's the cost of power the cost of power what you know what you are what you are no any cool any cool the go for maybe to one minute no work say MP to doctors for hospital for no to come again say person because of the kind of money case what you can say here I think let's go to the moment go for what is then fighting want to
okay. Let us see. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
We have a free until Christia, Monoso Agrana, Yentun Kay. Okay. Yeti Manenko.
The person can I just seen that didn't make you because anyone you're talking about take a photo. This is that year and I election. I don't need power. The panel will be at the end of the contest. Put the politics with the but then I did so bad now. I didn't see any politics so I started politics. I didn't make more my cat no. The year so very could be a kind of 2 years later, my penny year. That's why I'm interested in 2014. Yeah, only the higher 7,000. 2016, if I have 4,000 by then at the former. Up to now, 2022, if I have 4,000 on by then at the former, the movement 3,000. Yes, politics in wood of my penny. Yeah, indeed, my
okay, okay, I think one to good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, you.
Evening, you're going to go back over
what's a friend? Okay, Achim Yentio.
So, morning at the Mamoya. Saka, Mamba Pabia, best messages so I can come up and now, Benjamin Mamma can say, I'm penny our bar was a Benaso, Amisha, and then in Nepal or the boy of Mangana, and then in my power, you see here, and I'm COVID-19 about you, and I'm upon what they pay. Name it now. I didn't look at that. I didn't lockdown, another lockdown, so. I didn't know another lockdown. Now my people who show me didn't win the Granny in the and then you lockdown.
yɛna se yɛmfa afrɛfoɔ no ɛmfa nsia yɛmmerɛ ne ntintimi mfa obia bio mayɛkɔ bi ofia Paul yɛne
asɔre no yɛsi ne pi akyerɛ ndisifoɔ no sɛ yɛmu pɛ mu no mu ɛpo nyinaa ma ne nsa voter register no yɛbɛyɛ foforɔ
ɛno no na mokan na Ghanafoɔ bi nti ase no sɛ ada na ɛwɔ sɛ mo NPP fo mu na mo si ne pi kyerɛ NDC foɔ ne other parties sɛ yɛbɛyɛ
isi asɛm a wɔka ɛna ɛfiri sɛ ɛtɔ aso mu because nsɛm a yɛatete wɔ akyire no ɛnyɛ papa ama de fillet ni ko wɔ transfer illegal voter me no ne sɛ me ma to ma ba obi timi yes
is ama do silo wɔ
hwan our NDC advisor o do ni mo onu na advice NDC for say mo fa say ma we ni maso na maso a me wo kwan a me fa so a me wie mo ma mo
silipi ne yemfa
nti de me kan say voter register ni de mo ko so ba form easy for so metro be di foforo yes so e be ta o machi na Ghana for na so your margin say de ko so ye pe sa 50% a ye de ama for your electricity ye ni je ho water ye bi ni free ye ni je ho 600 million ye de ba omo anuma ketekete no omo fa bo omo niama no ye ni je ho so ata say so eniama e kosuwe ye eye ade e pese oman no e kosu nya ne sa eti nye mo dia mo da bia election ko ana mo fa de papa bi ama de so mo kan na mo nka na ntro na we ya se nye manage me kan si so say PPE no wo fi say e manage COVID patients ni ya mahama hyehyɛ wa PPE no to no na fa ko jia wo mo
me da se sile
say man madame nyonya obo amadu sile when he has I say we creating new police stations and that's all quite
but that allegations
are issues
Charlotte say mo
want
each other
me the one
program ni enye eba amani now am upon so e and you say oh kasana say oh kasa in this particular manner I think say we are not being fair to
which manner
so what can say oh why you say the wiring is illegal oh we say I'm going to see the wiring for also one more advice a political party and this out there when say what this you may be say we know where you say criminal any finance all by this time it's all one prison maybe one
no say you the dia and I say on what I said I want to say
na ma dem je say ma
okay train
mama
the PR no
government official one who the that
boy bacho remember
na jambo
respect
obi adu Ghana dia ko diska
Ghana for voter register when you are bracing
this is for neck
you can say of all the so-called abnormalities I want voter register what in Yanya 53%. Listen, would you say why you may be aware and also as 20 pay I say okay 70% on the 50
right
water and so on
and you know
sinupina
we now would you be pass why you power in here what are you afraid of? They were those who are the very register more of 53%.
May I say, so why you man now I need and say Sule Sedu Ashanti Regional Secretary for PNC and our technical also and a Paul Kwabna Yando Asqua NPP Financial Secretary and a Regional Communication Team member for NPP in Ashanti region. And I become home. Am I to me a D and come up? Emphasize Emma Kobe Frank, VTR, Augustina Ansa, Loretta, MCR, Production Manager, Ochinozo, the one, PRO, and so Bernard Ade, Producer, Executive, Producer, Sam Dakus, Producer, so Queen AJ, so and Director, Samuel Kwabna Dako, aka Sam Dakus, Mimidin. The Michael Nana Adomaku between from Mr. Mike. Yellow be ase moi baby amofide no edaha na mo hwe Kumau TV channel so say Mondays 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Eduada kwesi fiada ɛna de sinipi no ɛbrɛ mu yakra mo hwɛ ho yie kɔpem sɛ bɛhyia nyame yɛ adoma adwada bye bye.